Hello student, today we start our main course book subject Maths chapter number 8 who is heavier and open page number 130. Now students, who is heavier? Here write some ingredients Gour and groundnut. So Gour means jaggery, Gour means jaggery and groundnuts. So here are Shabnam loved to eat jaggery means Gour and groundnuts. One day she bought 1 kg jaggery and 1 kg of groundnuts. Now you know that kilogram also written as kg. We understanding the kilogram is also written in kg. So here are given question, are the groundnuts really more than the jaggery in weight or do they just look more? Means जो jaggery है वो heavy है और light है. Our chapter is who is heavier, Gour and groundnuts. So jaggery in weight or do they just look more? खाली दिखने में है या फिर ऐसे ही है? So are the groundnuts really more than the jaggery in weight or do they just look more? So the groundnuts really more than the jaggery in weight or do they just look more? No, the groundnuts are not really more than the jaggery in weight, but they just look more. So they just look more. Which ingredients? Groundnuts. So second question, 1 kg popcorn or 1 kg sugar. So here are now guesses. For which of these you need a bigger bag? Which of it we needed bigger bag? 1 kg popcorn or 1 kg sugar? So for 1 kg popcorn we need a bigger bag. 1 kg popcorn or 1 kg sugar? So we needed 1 kg popcorn. Needed bigger bag. 1 kg peas or 1 kg potatoes. We needed bigger bag for 1 kg peas. Why? Peas is light in weight. So just look more. Just look more. And potatoes is heavy. So the just look less. Next topic is pumpkin, tomato, panga. Here are pumpkin and tomato, panga. The story of pumpkin and tomato. This is the playground and where tomatoes comes to play every day. Who is come to every day? Tomato comes to every day in playground. So they love playing on the seesaw. He loved seesaw. So love playing on seesaw. One day a big pumpkin comes and sit on the one side of the seesaw. Who comes? Pumpkin. Pumpkin come and sit on the one side of seesaw. When he does not get up for a long time. Why? He is heavy. So he is not get up for long time. The tomatoes decided to sit on the other side and lift up pumpkin. So the tomatoes The little tomatoes start climbing on the other side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 25th, who the pumpkin is still sitting on the laughing. So the big tomato decided to help the little ones get down and make way for the fat ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 20. So yeah, the pumpkins is up in the air. Means जो pumpkin था वो अब ऊपर हो गया, अप हो गया. पहले क्या था, जो pumpkin था वो हैवी था, तो नीचे एक के बाद टोमेटो ऊपर चढ़ते गए. तो उससे क्या हुआ, जो pumpkin था वो अप हो गया, lifted up. So bring the down please. वो बोलने लगा, it shouts, bring the me down please. मुझे जल्दी से नीचे उतारो. Now question is, how many small tomatoes do you think could lift the pumpkin up? In your book give option 10, 20 and 40. So how many small tomatoes do you think could lift the pumpkin up? Pumpkin को अप करने में कितने स्मॉल टोमेटो की आवश्यकता होगी? So 10, 20, 40. The 40 is right answer. So we write here 40. Now how many big mangoes can balance the pumpkin? How many big mangoes can balance the pumpkin? कितने मैंगोज, बिग मैंगोज हम सीसॉ पे रखेंगे तो बैलेंस होगा, इक्वल बैलेंस होगा पंपकिन के लिए. सो मे बी वी नीडेड 20 मैंगोज. सो हियर वी राइट 20 मैंगोज. वी नीडेड 20 big mangoes can balance the pumpkin. How many pumpkins can balance you on the seesaw? अगर आप सीसा पर बैठे हो, आपको बैलेंस करना हो, तो कितने पंपकिन की ज़रूरत होगी? How many pumpkin can balance you the seesaw? So 10 pumpkin. 10 pumpkins can balance you on the seesaw. Now next topic is double her weight. Double her weight. So Bharti's parents have a different way of celebration. वह अलग तरह से सेलिब्रेशन करते हैं. इंडिपेंडेंस डे बिकॉज भारती वॉज बोर्न दैट डे. भारती का जन्म जो था वो इंडिपेंडेंस के दिन हुआ था, इसलिए वो उसे अलग तरह से सेलिब्रेशन करते हैं. दे बाय स्वीट डबल आप भारती स्वेट एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट दैन अमंग पुअर पीपल. क्या करते हैं वो? एवरी बर्थडे जो भारती का वेट होता है उससे डबल स्वीट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं. सो एट द बर्थ टाइम भारती स्वेट 3 kg एंड दे distributed double sweet. So 3 plus 3 6. Now the Bharti is 1 year old. That time her weight 9 kg. So the sweet distributed are double. 9 plus 9 equal 18 kg. Same way every year they distributed double sweet. Now next topic yum yum खिचड़ी. यम यम खिचड़ी. यहाँ पर जो वंदना है वो खिचड़ी बना रही है. So वंदना heard about a new dish on the radio. वो रेडियो से खिचड़ी बनाना सीख रही. ही वॉन्ट्स टू ट्राई मेकिंग इट. वो खिचड़ी बनाना ट्राई कर रही है, उसे खिचड़ी बनाना नहीं आता. व्हेन ही नोट्स डाउन हाउ टू मेक इट ही गेट्स confused. जब उसने नोट डाउन किया था, नोट में नोट डाउन किया था, पर he make खिचड़ी, that time he confused. This is that he notes down. उसने क्या notes down किया? वो confused हुई थी, उसने notes down किया. Here is for 2 spoons of water in the pot for making खिचड़ी. 2 spoons of water in the pot. Boil the water and add 1 pinch of dal, half kg red chili, 1 bowl salt. Now put a spoon of rice, 8 2 peas and 8 glasses of mustard seed. Next, finally add 1 kg of onion and mix everything and boil for 15 minutes. But Sugoto feels there is something very wrong in the amount of everything. जो शुगोटो थी, उसने कहा कि एवरीथिंग इज रॉन्ग. उसमें कुछ खिचड़ी बनाने में कुछ न कुछ रॉन्ग हुआ है. मतलब अमाउंट्स ऑफ एवरीथिंग, जो भी अमाउंट था सभी चीज़ों का, वो सब गलत से डाला है. नाउ वी हेल्प हिम मैच द थिंग्स विथ हर राइट अमाउंट्स. सो हियर 1 kg राइस, हाफ kg दाल and 1 bowl peas, 8 glasses of water, 1 pinch chili, 1 spoon salt and 2 spoon mustard seed. So students, Yum Yum Khichdi Vandana's about her dishes on the radio and he made something wrong, everything amount of wrong. So we helped them and he made khichdi. Now guesses their weights. Here are some things and here are their weights. So we match their weight. Now suitcase, cow, mango, elephant, puppy, sack. So weight of suitcase. So we find out match of suitcase 10 kg. Suitcase is 10 kg. Now cow weight. So which weight is cow? कौन सा वेट होगा काऊ का? So cow is 400 kg. Now mango is small, so only 1 mango, so less than 1 kg. Mango is less than 1 kg. Elephant is very heavy, so more than 1000 kg. Elephant is more than 1000 kg. Puppy is very small, so its weight is 2 kg. Now sack of anything, so its weight is 80 kg. So we guesses their weight and we guesses which of the following things weight more than kilogram, which ones will be weight less than 1 kg. Now your school bag is 1 kg or more than 1 kg or less than 1 kg. So your school bag is more than. Geometry box is less than 1 kg. A brick is more than 1 kg. And a big pumpkin also more than 1 kg. Your pair of slipper or shoes less than 1 kg. So we guesses everything, their weight and identify which is more than kg, 1 kg and which is less than more kg. Now understanding the points to remember. Grains, groceries and vegetables are measured in weights. Weighing machine is used to measure the weight for the accurate measurement. Metal weight are needed. Now different weighing machine are used for measuring weight. Common balance scale, counterbalance scale, weighing scale, spring balance scale and electric weighing scale and laboratory weighing scale. So different types of things we measured by different measuring scales. मतलब हम अलग अलग थिंग्स को अलग अलग मेजरिंग स्केल से यूज़ करके उसको मेज़र कर सकते हैं.